Now let us move towards type 7, that is team formation. Now such kind of questions are based on the idea of NCR and at most constant. Let us see what question JEE has based on this idea. Now this 2022 JEE question is nothing but a combination of NCR and some logic in order to get to the answer. Let us see. So what they're saying is the total number of ways of selecting 3 boys and 2 girls is 168. It has been given there are B boys and G girls in total. If I want to select 3 boys out of B, it is nothing but BC3. And then if I want to select 2 girls out of G girls, then it is GC2. This is given as 168. Now if I write it down, it is B into B minus 1 into B minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1. And GC2 will be nothing but G into G minus 1 by 2 into 1. This is equal to 168, and 168 can be written as nothing but 84 into 2, which can in turn be factorized and written as 42 into 2 into 2, and that can in turn be factorized and written as 21 into 8, and that we can write as nothing but 8 into 7 into 3. Now if I take whatever is written in the denominator on the other side, so what we are getting is B into B minus 1 into B minus 2. This is one group. And then we have nothing but G into G minus 1, another group. And this is equal to nothing but 7 into 8 into 3. Then again 3 into 2 into 2. And now let us try and write this 3 into 3 as 9. So what we have got is first group. 9 into 8 into 7. And then what we have got is nothing but 4 into 1. Now this will not cut it. So a better way to regroup would be nothing but 8 into 7 into 6. So why am I writing this 3 consecutive numbers? Because if we have B, B minus 1, B minus 2, these are going to be 3 consecutive numbers. And then G into G minus 1, another 2 groups of 2 consecutive numbers. If I write it in this manner, what I can see is basically what I've got is nothing but this and 3 into 2. So if I now compare, a tentative value of B from here can be nothing but 8. And the tentative value of G from here can be nothing but 3. Now let us try and figure out an answer. So what they're asking is B plus 3G. So B is nothing but 8 and 3 into 3. This will become nothing but 9. So answer becomes 70. So you can see that this is a combination of our NCR formula and some common sense to get to an answer. Now this extremely simple question came in 2021. Question talks about making a scientific committee in which out of 6 Indians and 8 foreigners, out of which 2 Indians at least needs to be included, and double the number of foreigners as Indians need to be included. See, in this question, whenever you see at least constant, again you should think about making cases. So your first case can be when you take 2 Indians and 4 foreigners. Your case 2 would be when you take 3 Indians and 6 foreigners. Your case 3 would be when you take 4 Indians and 8 foreigners. If you do this, the answer corresponding to first case comes out to be 6C2 into 8C4, corresponding to second 6C3 into 8C6, and corresponding to last one 6C4 into 8C8. Once we add all of them down, it comes out to be 1625. That is nothing but option 3. Now again, an extremely simple question in 2019. This question talks about you have to make a team of 2 girls and 3 boys out of 5 girls and 7 boys, such that 2 specific boys A and B should not be there in the same team. So now there could be 3 cases. One, both A and B are not included. This is a very important case. This is my case 1. So what I can do is out of this 5 girls, I can take 2 girls. Out of remaining 5 boys, I can take 3 boys. Another case could be A, either A or B. No, but not both are included. Now, in this case, what you can do is, out of 5 girls, we can take 2 girls. But out of the 5 boys now, we can take only 1 boy. And out of, sorry, 2 boys. And out of those 2 boys, A and B, I can take 1. If I sum this up, it comes out to be 300. That is nothing but option D. Now, similar kind of question is again been asked in 2022. So it is a repetition of 2019 question. You can see little bit of data is changed. The answer of this question comes out to be 1120. You can check out this question. Again, similar kind of question has been asked in 2019. Now, this question talks about number of games being played between M men and 2 women participating in a chess tournament. Now, what they're saying is each participant plays 2 games with every other participant. Then they are saying that number of games played by men. So number of games played by men would be nothing but if I select 2 men, they will play 2 games each. Exceeds by the number of games played between men and women. So now if I take men, it is MC1 and women again NC1, and the number of women is given as 2 in the starting. And into 2 will be equal to 84. We need to solve this equation and get to an answer. So if I do that, this becomes m into m minus 1. The second part becomes nothing but m into 2 is equal to 84. And if I simplify, this becomes m square minus m minus 4m minus 84 is equal to 0. And this becomes m square minus 5m minus 84 is equal to 0. And now if you simplify this, 84 can be written as nothing but 42 into 2. It can also be written as nothing but 21 into 4. And can also be written as 7 into 12. So if I do this, I can write this as nothing but m minus 12 into m plus 7 equal to 0. Since m cannot be negative, the value of m from here comes out to be 12. Quite a simple question. Now, similar type of question was also asked in 2021. In this question, they are talking about 2 teams, A and B, consisting of 7 boys and girls, 4 boys, 6 girls. Now, what they're saying is 52 single matches are played in such a manner that the boys of both the teams play together and the girls of both the team play together. So now we can say that 52 will be equal to, if I take 1 boy from team 1 and 1 boy from team 2, plus if I take 1 girl from team 1 and 1 girl from team 2. So this becomes 52 is equal to 7 into 4 plus 6n. And if you solve this, n comes out to be 4. Extremely simple question. Now let us look into this next question. In this next question, they are talking about a mixed doubles badminton match to be played between some couples, let us say n couples, in such a manner that in a match, no couple plays a match. The total number of ways are 840. We need to find total number of people who participated in the tournament and not couple. So our final answer is going to be nothing but 2n. This we need to understand because this mistake can also happen. Now let us say that how many such ways are possible. So what you can do is out of n males that are there, let us choose 2 males. These are going to play the tournament. And out of remaining n minus 2 couples, let us choose 2 females who are going to play the tournament. And now let us say that we have taken this male 1, male 2, female 1, female 2. So you can see that there are 2 types of pairing possible. So into 2. So this many matches are possible. And this is given nothing but equal to 840. After this, what you can do is we can simplify it. So this becomes n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Other part becomes n minus 2 factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 4 factorial into 2 will be equal to 840. And if I simplify this, you can see n minus 2 factorial gets cancelled out. This 2 will also get cancelled out. And what we are getting is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. And this will be equal to 840 into 2. And if I do this and simplify, this is nothing but 42 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. This 3 2's can be written as 8. Now the remaining can be written as nothing but 21 into 2 into 5. And this we can refactorize and write as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. So if I observe both the sides, what we can observe is the value of n is nothing but 8. If the value of n comes out to be 8, the answer of this question comes out to be 2n, that is nothing but 60.
If you like this video, you will also like Pragbee's unique approach to teaching students or guiding students for the last mile journey. So if you are a student who has been preparing for 2 years and going to write this exam in 2024, this is one of the best ways and platforms that you can prepare with. Unlike other crash courses who focus on teaching 100% syllabus in just 2 to 3 months, which a student took 2 years to prepare, we have a different way to approach the problem. This process works on 3 very specific steps. In step 1, we start from you. What exact preparation have you done in the last 2 years, last 1 year, last few months? And what is the minimum amount of effort, areas, concepts and problems that required to be prepared to get a very good college from JEE Mains? In step 2, based on this customized plan that was prepared based on your strengths and weaknesses and the minimum path of least resistance that you can take to get into a very good college, we align you a one-on-one faculty, a faculty who is going to teach you as a student, keeping your needs into mind, where you are getting stuck in a topic, what kind of problems you cannot solve, and how to solve those problems in a very efficient and smart manner and convert that topic into tangible marks in JEE Mains. In step 3, we attach you to a test series, a testing platform where you can test yourself for each and every topic that you're preparing. You can write full syllabus tests and get an understanding that how this program is working for you, wherein the faculties can again sit with you and customize the plan based on your needs so that your score is getting maximized in JEE Mains exam. Using this program, Ashish was able to maximize his score in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and was able to get into IIT Madras Mechanical in just a matter of 3 months. If you are one of those students who think that he has got the potential, who can make it, and he wants to have a smart and efficient approach at this point of time, which can maximize his or her result in JEE Mains exam, you can apply for this program in the link given in the description, and somebody from my team will get in touch with you and help you out. See you until next one.